Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a quick review of Hunter. Now Hunter is a very useful tool primarily for finding and verifying professional email addresses associated with specific companies. Its strength lies in its straightforward domain search, reliable email verification for many addresses, and helpful browser extensions. Now users often find its interface intuitive and appreciate the ability to find contacts for outreaches. However, it is not without limitations. Now, some users will report occasional inaccuracies in the data, and it may not find emails for all companies, particularly very new ones. The free plan has notable limitations on the number of searches and features. This is the free plan. So as you can see, it has a lot of restrictions. You can only connect one email, and you cannot do all this. The CPM per care page is 500. So as you can see, it has limitations. And the paid plans can be considered pricey for some. This is a paid plan, $34, $104, and $209. Additionally, it primarily focuses on email and may lack broader prospective features like social media scraping or advanced CRM capabilities found in more comprehensive sales tools. Despite these points, for businesses and individuals needing to efficiently find and verify professional email addresses for outreach, Hunter.io remains a valuable and effective platform. Hope you found this video helpful.